Otter gang, Otter gang, Otter gang. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves with the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you for joining me. It is April 21st, 2026. Let's go ahead, cue that intro.
I put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. On LBC. I put on LBC. On LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the way we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated,
yeah, we
playing with
sticks.
I put on for LBC. Over LBC. I put on for LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every single one of you. You're all amazing. I'm very blessed, very, very blessed to have all of you and your support. It is amazing. Guys, it is Tuesday, April 21st, 2026 at 10:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope you're doing well. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Where's the throne? That's a good question. Do I even still have the throne? I don't know. Let me see. Let me see. Do I still have the throne? That might be on a different overlay, but we can get it on here. For those that don't know, you're about to find out, I guess. Throne. Today's thumbnail. Nope. Throne. Moon Beach Waves. Office background. Mad Throne. Bam. And we got to do, what do we got to do? We got to do this. And we got to get it behind me. There we go. Now we've got the throne. Markets After Dark. How's it going? I asked BC Port Corp some ideas for members only content that's not like gatekeeping info and stuff like that. And he said I should do streams where there's members only, and it's where I let loose and I cuss and stuff. I'm just like, I mean, I could do that, but I don't know. Is that something? He said people love it. And I'm just like, he's like, how you got so animated and stuff for the for our Counter This Social Security episode, and how I got so animated about billionaires and stuff, because I was trying to be as playing a character, somewhat. I still think that if the world was or if things were actually like free market and stuff like that, and there weren't a bunch of loopholes and stuff, that we might have billionaires, but I think there would be much fewer of them, far fewer of them, and there would also be nobody would have like multiple tens of billions of dollars, certainly not hundreds of billions of dollars. To me, it is kind of insane when you really think about how much money it is that we even have that in society. Like, so much money could be used on so many different things that is just sitting in like a Swiss bank account, and it's just like, oh, that's just how it is. We could solve world hunger, but I mean, but then we run out of resources if we just have all this, if all the money got spread around. And I don't know, man. I don't know. That's not the talk I was trying to get into tonight. All right. was not the talk I was trying to get into tonight. So we'll just keep on going. We live trading today. I did say Tuesday trading, so let's get into it. But before we do that, let's say good evening to the chat. That's the throne from the Markets After Dark days on the Piper Academy. We brought out the throne, and we would summon the moon gods to bring us the gains. And those are fun times. And yeah, so I used to literally, I would bring up the throne, and I would go, oh moon gods, bring us the gains. And we would do a whole ritual. And it was good times. That was probably entertaining, more entertaining than what I've been doing. Maybe we'll have some stuff like that in the future, but not tonight, not tonight. The problem with trading tonight is I don't see, well, hold on. First of all, let's say good evening to the chat. Good evening, Tenacious Tabbies, who also is Chris Klein. What's going on, Chris Klein? How you doing? Thankful to have you here. Thankful to see you again back in the chats. You have definitely been missed, sir. Hey, David, much love, sir. I haven't used your music yet in any of my shorts, but I will soon, probably tomorrow. Excellent. Haven't done much with the channel today. Wife had heavy dental work today. Well, hoping that everything went well and that healing is fast and painless, or at least as painless as possible. Dental work is not fun. Should we? Oh, we'll get into it. So thank you for being here, KK. We've got Alan in here. What's going on? Thank you for being here. Alexandra G, Mod Boss, Mod Queen, Mod God. Let's see the Mod God emojis in the chat if you are a member. Thank you, as always, for pinning the Discord link in the chat. What's going on? Melissa, one love. Let's see some one love emojis in the chat. LBCOG. Thank you for being here, and thank you. Thank you for being a friend. We live trading today. Yes, live trading for members. Yeah, I thought about doing that as well. We've got Chadwick 589. What's going on, bro? How you doing? Thank you for being here, and thank you for becoming part of the Wave Gang, Wave Watcher, Mad Love. I appreciate you so much, bro. I appreciate everybody. The problem is they don't take a wage. It's always stocks. Oh yeah, that's true. And then they and it's not even that. It's, they can put those stocks up for as collateral and then just borrow against it. And yeah, and then they in turn use retail's money, or the people that invest in their stocks, to pay off their interest. So I mean it's not like it's illegal or necessarily bad. Oh, hold on. Sorry. Where? Scene. Oh, there it is. We are pumping right now, so it's a little late to catch a move here. Bitcoin is moving to the upside, coming into, where's this range? Okay, so we're at this range, golden pocket. We've already come up to it and rejected it, and yeah, so now we're starting to push back through it. That's typically if you're coming back up to it, you're going to continue to push. So I would expect for us to for Bitcoin to continue to push here. We did not get the sweep of the previous week high today, like I was anticipating. That we kind of just went really sideways, pretty much for the day. And so yeah, it's nice. We're getting a move, if anything, that's caused it. That is causing this move. But it's a nice little move here. Let's go back down to the 1 minute. A nice little move. So I want to see if we can maybe catch a reversal here. or maybe catch a continuation. We'll see. We shall see. Good evening, Melissa One Love, Alan. Okay, never pay taxes. There you, oh yeah, yeah. It must be nice. It must be nice to have lawyers and stuff to be able, tax attorneys and all different kinds of things to find all the loopholes so that you can pay effectively 0% in taxes. Must be nice. We do have some equal lows down here, or relatively equal anyway, so definitely looking for that reversal. Down here as well at 75, 250, this one's 76, 156. Let's see, are there any equal highs? There is a high right here. Let's see if we can sweep that. These are going to be points of interest for potential reversal zones. Yeah. This high, low, pullback, another low, high. I'm going to say this one too. We do have the 786 right here as well that we are coming upon. If I can get this thing to freaking, all right. Sometimes you got to zoom out in order for the thing to actually stick to it. Stick to the candle. All right. Okay, that's a breakdown there. Let's pull up our Asia session. I want to see. This is 8 p.m. So that's the start of it. First 5. We'll take the first 5 first. We'll take a look at that. First 5-minute candle. Pull that across. What about the first 15? Okay, so that's the first 15. So if you're playing the breakout orb breakout strategy, you might have gotten caught in a short, potentially, and now it's broken through bullishly above orb. So now I want to see if we can get a pullback to the orb. Le orb. Now, Asia, sometimes, I mean, it depends on, I think you can trade either one, 5, 15, 30, 45 minutes, first 45. You can trade any of those. I think Asia is typically the first 45, actually. And you can see we actually did come down, swept the low, and then came back within that first 45-minute candle, and now getting a push to the upside. So looking for signs of reversal. See if it can come up, take a level, and then give us something to go off of. I want to see a break of an internal low. So right now, if this was to push higher, I would say this is a low that I want to see broken. Nice little push here. If this can push up, sweep that high, but this come up, RSI, that would give us a bearish divergence potentially. And then, yeah, we can see if this moves to the downside. Yes, you definitely have to pay your taxes. Look at all the wonderful things to fund, like Donald Trump's wallet. Yeah, pay your taxes. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only. For sure, for sure. For sure. Oh, we going? Nope, there it goes. All right, nice little push. Missed a potential entry here. We did create a fair value gap here that we came down and pulled back into, getting that push. Look at that sweep of that high there. Look at that wick. Okay, let's see what it does here. Looks like it's wanting to continue to push. We'll keep that low there marked off. Dang. Swept the wick. Wickety wick. Let's go to the hourly real quick. Wow, we are pushing. Let's go. We do have this anchored VWAP still sitting up here at $77,688. We'll be interested to see if we get a reaction there. We already got one bearish reaction off of it, one rejection. So if we come back up to it, we might see that push into our major resistance levels. We have been anticipating us pushing into those levels, so should not come as a surprise for us to be pushing higher. The only question, if we do, is it going to last? All right, potential bearish divergence here. Potential bearish divergence playing out already. We got a sweep of that high. So now I'm just going to wait for market structure shift. See if we can get a market structure shift. I am not logged into. I didn't have time. I got home like 12 minutes before my stream from my class. So I have not been able to do any prep work whatsoever. I got the stream ready, but loading up the blowfin now on the phone at least. And I'll just have to trade off of here if I see anything. So continuing to push. Close at the highs typically mean you're like, instead of a wick, typically means you will come back. You will continue higher. I don't see anything to play off of other than maybe an countdown to the Vegas dumpening. What's the Vegas dumpening? What is there, like Bitcoin conference or something? Typically how it goes. Yeah, that's a nice bear div. So just need something to show me. 30-second chart. Don't really like this. I feel like this is gonna get tooketh. That is a close below on the 30-second chart. Bitcoin conference next week. Oh yeah, that's right. We typically move up going into the conference and then dump out on the conference. Just take a big massive dump, or at least don't do much during the conference. Because all the Bitcoiners are at the conference. All the peasants gonna liquidate and put it all on black. What's going on, Retro Mike Tech? How you doing? Whoa, what's going on? Whoa, what's going on, Lava Man? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Wave Cipher had a good setup for Dash. I don't use Blowfin though. I'm pretty sure Dash is on like every exchange. Whoa, what's going on? I don't know. What's going on is 5 viewers, 5 beautiful viewers. Typically much higher, but that's okay. We are still streaming, still living. You know, RMT, I'm actually looking forward to Thursday. We get to see who our wonderful, amazing, beautiful Titans are going to pick up. The last I saw, it was the Love kid, running back. We'll see. Jeremiah Love. We'll see. Potential. Oh, yeah. One more push. Give us one more push and then a break, and then we can catch the retrace and then write it down. It's kind of what I want to see here. Come on. If it doesn't do that and sweeps this first, I don't like this top at all. There's too much up here. I like if the top looked like this, I would like it. Like this wick, I would like it. But price for 3 straight candles at the same high. So even if this does sweep, I still think that that might just be a grab of liquidity to push higher. So we'll have to see what kind of reaction we get down here. If it comes up, bounces, gives us bullish engulfing candle, some kind of bullish candle pattern, might take it. But we are here. What kind of reaction are we going to get here? If we can, let's get a bullish engulfing here, or even a doji, something. Doesn't look like it's going to give it to us. Hello? Not BitTunics? It's not on BitTunics? For real? For real? Wait, can you even... Yeah, there are dash perps on Blowfin. I'm actually shocked. Let me see. Dash. It's not even on a spot? What? That's weird. Why would Dash not be on BitTunics? Literally the first exchange I've ever seen it not on. Like it's I think it was even on Robinhood. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, missed the bullish engulfing. Deadgummit. There it is, the bounce off the order block. Dang it. Too busy on looking for Dash. Dasher and Prancer. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope you're doing well, V Monitor. What's going on, man? Do they not list privacy coins? Is it privacy? Let me take a look. Zcash. Oh, they don't have Zcash on there. Wow. XMR. Wow. No privacy coins. Interesting. Wonder why BitTunics would not list privacy coins. What do you think? Why do you think that is, RMT? Ride the crypto wave together. It's almost like you're speaking to me, BitTunics. Specifically me. That is weird. Why wouldn't they have privacy coins? Never heard of a crypto exchange to not have privacy coins. It's kind of sketch. All right, yep, looking like we might get that third push. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. If we do, I'll probably drop down to the 30-second chart. Dash is privacy. Maybe they fear backlash when regulation comes down. Maybe exchanges fear privacy coins these days. I mean, they could just delist it if there was regulation. So why worry about it now, though? That's what I don't understand. Why would we worry about that now? T.I. Joe, Trade Intuition. Make sure you guys are subscribed to T.I. Joe. Bingo and a bango. Make sure you throw bingos and bangos in this chat. But before you do that, throw some waves. Maybe wave, bingo, wave, bango, wave. Come on, get that push. 786. Let's reject that. Push. 786 rejection. Come down. 30-second chart. Oh, you're such a degen. Am I though? Am I though? And look at momentum though. Look at this. As much as this has been pushing up, Momentum has been pushing down. Bearish divergence. So get that extra push, 786, and then our rejection. And then we can ride the wave to the equal lows, the Asia low. At least that's the idea. You do whatever you want to do. That's what I'm looking for. Bingo and a bango. Strega Heart, what's going on, bro? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. Let's see. Wick Rider Ned, what's going on, bro? Throwing in the diamond nuts. Mad love to each and every single one of you. Hope you're doing well. If you wouldn't mind going ahead and smashing up that like button, subscribing to the channel if you are new, I promise we are good people. And we will lead you in the right direction. We will not lead you towards moon boys or gals. We will not lead you to the slaughter. We will not be permabulls or permabears. We react based on what we make decisions based on what the market gives us, not just blind bullishness or bearishness. Not getting caught up in feels. We are objective with what is going on in the market. And yeah, honesty, transparency, all the good words. And that's what you kind of want, you know. Alex O says it all the time, and it's been a mission really of ours in the Otter Gang to make crypto honest again. Was it ever honest? I was watching both streams at the same time, and now that Joe is done, I'm waiting for Road Dogg as well as watching David LFG. Okay, Chris Klein. Chris Klein just brings so much energy, and I love it. I love the energy. Love the energy. That is Tenacious Tabbies, by the way. Well, go ahead and sub to Tenacious. I mean, just to give him a sub. You don't have to like the content. Just give him a sub. I don't even know what his content is. I saw some cats. I haven't looked yet. Like thoroughly. I saw some cats. I haven't had a chance to really go in there and inspect the channel. But I don't think he's going to try and sell you any kind of meme coins or anything like that. And if he does, tell me so we can kick him out. No. Win 80K? I mean, maybe coming up. Those are our top levels there. We shall see. Are we going to continue to push? Are we going to reverse? Okay, there's the tap of the 786. Really close, really close. I don't see anything in here that really says this is going to break down or anything. Might hold on to that. Trading is waiting, as the Otter Gang song at the beginning of the stream says, because that is taken from LXO. That is a bearish engulfing candle. It is a 30-second chart, so keep that in mind. But if this does close below this trend line, which it just did, okay, now I will look. Let's put on the LBC trade entry and see if we can squeeze something, even something small out of this. Don't be a dick for a tick. Otter Gang, Otter Gang. I should probably turn this down and then turn this on. All right. Moving to the downside. Okay, so we got our... Well, I gotta turn this down because I can't think with it in my headphones. Excuse me. Anywho, wait, where's my chat? There we go. I know crypto on my channel, LOL, just cats, the other cool C. I love to bring the energy to the people I love. You are family. You're family to me too, bro. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. Ooh. Now, as those that watch me know, my hour is typically not the best for trading. In fact, this is the most movement I've seen during my hour in a bit. And of course, I missed the bounce off of this as I was looking at the BitTunix exchange. That would have been amazing. We called it out. I called it out. I said maybe a bounce off of the order block, and sure enough, we got a bounce off the order block. That would have been a nice little gain, at least 0.4. I mean, almost a 0.5% on that move. And I would have put that down there. 2 to 1 wouldn't have been terrible if we had aimed for this high right here. I mean, that is over 0.5%, which is really good when you have some leverage. We're gonna bounce off of, we're bouncing off of this 1 minute, or rejecting rather, this 1 minute fair value gap. Are you gonna continue lower? I want to see. Now, if you don't get a strong rejection off of a fair value gap, you got to be careful, because if you start to consolidate below a fair value gap, oftentimes you will push back through it. So I like to see a rejection and then some type of other order block or fair value gap created, and off of that, that's typically the one that you kind of want to push or take the short off of itself, that it is going to be bearish. And here we go, coming back into it. Let's see, that's bullish engulfing. Yeah, I didn't really like taking those lows, so I'm kind of glad I set that out. Now, this is more defined lows in here, so I'm okay waiting. Trading is waiting, so I'm okay waiting for this to break. Get a close below on the 1 minute, and then look for my retrace, and then continuation down. If this does come up and pull back on top of the high and hold, and then we see a bullish candle of some kind, maybe a doji or something, but close above the 786, well, then I might take a continuation long off of that. I just don't like how we're building up lows at the same time, so it'd be a scalp, very much a scalp long. But hey, I mean, can we continue higher from here? Maybe. You don't typically see continuations during Asia. You typically see just liquidity sweeps. And we do have, again, bearish divergence playing out in here. So if this freaking, I mean, technically it's hit my entry level, the golden zone, the golden entry. But I don't like this little build up below that fair value gap. So I'll be patient. If we break the bull market support band, I will join you in being bullish. Until then, dump it. Who said be bullish? I am not bullish. You are not joining me for anything. I have not been bullish this entire time. I have been anticipating potentially getting up into this weekly fair value gap. We have a ton of confluence up here. So that's what I've been looking for. I've been looking for I'm trying to catch a major swing short. Haven't had a chance or an opportunity at all over the past really 2 or 3 weeks, just about, to take any scalps. Like I said, typically we're not getting a whole bunch of movement during my stream. It's usually some sideways garbage. I am interested in seeing how what the liquidity heat map's looking like. If I can find it. Liquidation heat map. Liquidation max pain. I don't think of it. They've got some new stuff. So that's a close below. So now I will take the high and I will look for the low. And of course, that trade would have already hit profit if I would have taken that. But that's okay. That's okay. I'd much rather play off the 1 minute than the 30-second. Just saying. Liquidation heat map does have liquidity going up to 78k right here. 77,945. Kind of go into empty zone there at 78.1. If we're looking for 80, let's go ahead and zoom out. Let's go to a 3-day. I was not expecting you to. I know I have a. Okay. Sure. Incorrect password. Cool. I thought I said that already. Okay. You have successfully logged in. Good deal. And now you're going to take me away from the page that I was on. Cool. That's cool. Whatever. 3-day. I mean, it kind of dies off right up here. I mean, that's really where we've been looking. I've been saying 79, about 79,500. That's kind of where we start to die off. Let's zoom out even further. I want to see. Might need to go even further than a week. Wait, what is that? 78,668. 79,447. Maybe I'll front run and do 79. Well, best thing to probably do is to set an alert for this high at 78.3 and then look for the sweep. Good evening, JR. How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. Thank you for stopping by, throwing the waves in the chat. Appreciate you doing that. So yeah, look at that. I mean, that heat signature. The heat signature is something else. Let's go to the monthly. We might actually get to see some downside liquidity. Wow. You know, this isn't as hot as I thought it would be. Okay, there we go. Oh, wait, nope, back up. Go back to 0.69. Nice. Good evening. LBC just got home, jumped on. Thank you for joining me, Johnny December. If you guys, I want to start taking requests, or if you guys have questions, please ask questions. Like, I was also considering doing like Q&A for members only, maybe once a week or something. So yeah, let me know if that's something you think you guys might enjoy as members of the channel. If you have anything that you think you should have exclusively, let me know as a member. these highs. 84, 785. You know, this isn't as heated as I thought it might be down here. That's interesting. Very interesting. Let's go to the 1 year. Let's zoom it all the way out, baby. Let's look at that liquid ditty. Wow. It's all to the upside, bro. Okay, well, that didn't really help me much. Oh, we tagging the 786. What is this candle doing? Don't be a dick for a tick. That's a rejection. Nope. 19 seconds. Gotta enter before it leaves. Okay, I like that. Let's get up here to the 786. Come on, reject the 786. Get up there. Show me a rejection. Leave behind the equal lows and fair value gap. Yes, yes. I went ahead, took the short. We'll see what happens. Where's my entry? 77,235. Scalp short. Scalp short. I want to take them all back. If this starts consolidating, I might cancel it. Drop down. Sorry. Got to set it up. 77,363. So there you go. Hit all my rules. We got to 3 pushes. 1, 2, 3. The last 2 lows. We broke. Pulled back into my trade entry zone. And then, yeah, we'll see if it'll play out. Would be cool if it did. Simple SMC indicator? What is this? I don't even know what this is. What even is this chart? I don't remember putting this stuff on here. It's weird. 9:46. Oh, my time. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Otta gang. Oh. Lock it. Pop, lock, and drop it. Alright, well, that's playing out. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't play out, it is what it is. Let's see. Let's go to the 15. Probably should have zoomed out a little bit. XRP looks like it wants to freaking at least push up to here. $1.47. Should have zoomed out on Bitcoin. Is there? Let me go to a chart that's not as busy. That didn't work. How many charts do I have? All of them. All of them. This is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, that's not a terrible place to take a short, especially on a 15-minute doji. It's not bad. Come on. Drop, 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 drop. Looks good to me. Ish. And it's not like I'm asking for the world or anything. Just a cool, calm 0.76% on 45x leverage. I don't know about that 3-minute consolidation candle. We can get rid of that. It's just in the way at this point. Anyway, entries there. We'll see if it plays out or not. Bearish divergence there on the 3-minute too. Bearish divergence is here on the 3-minute. I feel like it might get one more push, unfortunately. Starting to feel like it's kind of taking its time. We're going to stay in it though. Stay in it. I mean, the lows are there. The question is, when is it going to take them? Is it going to give us one more push before it takes them? It might. If it does, I'll just take the loss and then take the next short. We're just scalping anyway. Good evening. How's it going? It's going good. Ash Hunts. Ash Hunts. Thank you for being here. Always my fave because of how much it moves compared to others. Arrow. What is that? What are we talking about exactly? There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Hit first TP. At least hit first TP, which is the yellow dotted line. Let me take my profit and move my stop. It might not do it. Slow, 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 and then break. Come on. NASDAQ, potentially sweep high, run it back down. Is this a classic? Consolidate, accumulate, manipulate, distribute. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Where's Offset? What was your stop loss there? Here. 77,363. Just above the 786. Tis okay. Is this a potential seek and destroy? Could be. Could be. If that's the case, then it should come down here, then run up, and then come back down. Nope. Oh. Oh. Yep, you're gonna take me out. Yeah. Definitely gonna take me out. Wow. Bitcoin showing some strength here. Okay. All right. I still think it's, I mean, I said we could get one more push. So, it's not like it would be surprising. Just because this right here is, I don't know. I probably honestly should not have counted that little push. Usually you don't take the first one. I'm always looking for the 1, 2, 3. And I don't think that one should have been counted. We'll see though. 1, 2, 3, and then bring it down. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Almost want to cancel. Save me a few extra bones, but we did take this high and close below it. But again, 1 minute chart, so yeah. Come on, push. I'm saying push. Come on, take me out. Come on, I dare you. Take me out. What's everything else doing? Solana. Ooh. Okay. Now we're cooking with chicken grease. Solana. I don't like these highs. As far as they look juicy. Momentum is still, I mean, you can see it's pushing down, right? As price is pushing up. So you have a bearish divergence forming. You just gotta wait for that break. Then retrace and then continuation to the downside. And that doesn't mean that, you know, we're topping or anything like that. It just means Asia's being Asia. And it usually takes liquidity and then runs in the opposite direction. All right, just got stopped out. All right, stopped out live. Do it for the gram. Sweep of the high. Thought this would be the case, so we will count that as a loss. Write it down in the trading journal, and we'll explain why we took the trade and what we could have done differently, or maybe should have done differently, and try to get better. That's the whole kit and caboodle. That's the idea. We did. Maybe you should just be a permable, David. Maybe. I am a long-term permable on Bitcoin. Don't get it twisted. Short-term bearishness does not mean always bearish, okay? 15-minute. I mean, I'm perfectly okay leaving behind all these equal lows. I know a lot of people might not be. Okay, 15-minute actually looks bullish. Now we didn't get a bearish divergence here. We have price following momentum, so we're not seeing a bearish divergence here on the 15-minute. So we are coming up to that anchored VWAP. Where's our VWAP from this high? Okay, we got a little too much going on here. There we go. Okay, that's nice. What about from this low? The last swing low. Nice. Okay, equal lows. Man, it's going to be a brutal drop when it does occur for some people. Brutal drop. I mean, I still have conviction of more downside. Like, I am not. We are getting into overbought, as they say, but that doesn't really mean anything until you get a change in market structure. Until then, it doesn't mean anything. You can be overbought, and it can ride and overbought for a while, and it can continue to push to the upside. So what you want to see is once you get overbought, you come down, up, and get some kind of high. So you come up, let's say you take the high right there, and then you come down, and then you push for another high, and that could be exactly how it plays out, honestly. And that's your bearish divergence leading into high time frame point of interest, resistance, and then from there I look for a come down, break whatever the swing level is, and then from there I'll look for the retrace, and then I'll look for the continuation down. And again, 1, 2, 3 down. Don't really care for this. And none of this is impulsive. I don't like it. I know there's a lot going on my chart right now. Take that off. Very impulsive. Let's look at the market oracle. I want to see the dynamic reactor. Where's the 4 hour at? I think we're above the 4 hour dynamic reactor. Yeah, we're above it right here. Let's go to the 8. Coming up to that anchored VWAP. Above the 8. Interesting. What about the 12? There's so much confluence here around 80K. If this would be the weirdest bottom, if it turns out to be a bottom, that I've probably ever seen. Daily's not looking terrible as far as divergences go. Anything above the 50, so this level here, I'm not trying to use fancy indicators. I try not to use fancy indicators because a lot of people can't afford them. So I try to show you from stuff that's not expensive. Man, we also have, I just want to short right here, 79, 600, 700 or so. Take out those equal highs, tap the daily dynamic reactor. 50% retrace is right around that same area of this range from this high to this low. 50% retrace is right there as well. I mean, like, so much confluence in this area. So that's why I want to I have been expecting us to push there. Push up to that level. Tapping that anchored VWAP yet again. Okay, we just took that high there. Connecting my lows. I'm going to try and run it back. Although I'm not getting... There's a larger bearish divergence there. Much larger bearish engulfing on this one. So we marked off the levels, we wait for reactions, and we take the trades based on our strategies. That's what I do. That's what I did. Did not engulf. Did we engulf on anything else? We did on Blowfin. That's okay. I'll wait for this candle. If this candle closes below this, I'll do it all over again. And I'll keep taking the hits until it plays out. As long as your wins outweigh your losses, that's all that really matters. Because in the long run, it should be profitable. As long as your wins outweigh your losses, should be profitable. No close below the trend line yet, so still not looking. Low, low. Going to adjust this. That's more of a structural low here. You get low, high, low, high, low, high. Gosh, should have just been bullish, huh? Should have just taken the trade off the daggum order block, like we thought we could do. That's okay. That's okay. We'll run him back at some point, I think. I think we'll run him down, especially during Asia. TP3. That's not bearish divergence. That was bearish divergence, but it consolidated. Oh man, we had a slight bull div. I missed that right here. Gosh. See, I don't. What you guys may not know about me is that on days that I'm off, those are like off of work, that is, during the week, and it's not a holiday, so there's actual movement in the charts, even without. It is much easier for me personally to hit trades after I've been staring at the charts for like an hour. Once actually seeing price action play out and just waiting for that right rejection, that right moment, or a continuation, seeing how things are playing out. So I just need to start going live for 2 hours, I guess. That would really help, I think. Because the moves tend to happen after my life. That's why I'm kind of going a little long right now. Because I'm like, I want to prove my point about this move. If this puts in another high, which it looks like it might, yep, we'll adjust. These are my last two. I like those lows. I like those better. Those are much cleaner lows. Damn. We had a sandwich. See, also sometimes I get so tunnel visioned on like my one specific setup, which is fine. But sometimes I forget to look for other things at the same time. SFP. Close below. Nice rejection. I got half a mind to take it, but I'm not gonna. Too bullish right now. I need to see some change in structure. Again, gonna wait for the break. This might just come back down to here and then get a continuation, to be honest. Save the lows for later. That would have been too easy. F it in for the swing short. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I'm just waiting. I'm really waiting for that swing short more than anything. Because that is what my lifestyle can allow me to do, is the swings. So I want to take a big fat short here. Just write it down. I think writing it down to the targets around, well, I thought it was 17%, but that must have been the other day. 27%. Shell would be nice. That's what I'm looking for there. That's the biggie. 3.22. You can adjust that just above the golden pocket. But I mean, you're talking about 7.37% on the upside. So, not a lot of leverage or not a lot of margin. One of the two. Maybe a mixture of both. Because that's my ultimate goal, is to catch this wave. And maybe it takes me out. 4 hour. I don't know. I'm getting tired and delirious. Thank you for joining me this evening, guys. Sorry, my one trade was a loser. A loser. That's okay. That was literally my first trade. And like, the third wave hadn't come. Pointed out how we were still looking kind of bullish. I took a shot in the dark to see what would happen, and we took a loss. It is what it is. We take losses, and thankfully it wasn't too much money, because I don't put a lot of money in scalps like that. So that should give us that push up into, I don't take just trades at levels like that. I don't like it. I want to see on the lower time frames, let's get into that level and then create a market structure, a shift in market structure. And then off of that shift in market structure is where I would take the trade. So are we going to push into it tonight? In my sleep, I might have to set a trade up in my sleep. For my sleep. I don't want to miss the move. So I might do that. But not do as much margin as I would. And just add to the trade if it does reject. What's the word I'm looking for? I don't even know. If you took anything from the stream, hit that like button, subscribe. If you are new, hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content, when I go live. Join the free Discord. Join the Alex O Crypto Discord. Link is in the description. And links are in the description. And follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. Yeah, tomorrow we'll see how this all plays out. And maybe we're just not gonna reverse. Maybe that's the case. I just find it extremely unlikely when we have left behind so many equal lows. I've never seen equal lows not get taken out, so that's my primary reason why I think we're gonna take them out. So, because they and all that good jazz. Treat yourselves well. Be nice to yourselves. Be kind to yourselves. Be kind to others. And yeah, I will see you all tomorrow. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. And I will catch you all then. Otter Gang on the way out. We'll do Daft. I don't know what to call it, but that's what I'm calling it. And yeah, that's it. See you all later. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. Peace out. Bye.
Gang, gang. Trading is waiting, 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 waiting. Otter gang, otter gang, otter gang.
Otter gang.
Trading is waiting.
Easy.
Spoon feeding the setup.
Set slow.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
Chill. Breathe.
VWAP slap, rap, 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 bring it back. Sit back, lean low, feel that wave. Let it build, don't try to save. Everybody rush, I behave. If it in my zone, I don't engage. Alex, no, current flow. Lord, I run that show. King Beaver, build it slow. Then one clean move, let it go.
Wait. Don't rush, don't chase. Stay cool, hold space. Let it ride, feel tight, then strike. Online. No stress, no fear, just flow. They overtrade, I let it go. Watch that level, then I know when it. Trading is waiting.
Yeah, otter gang, otter gang, otter gang, yeah.
Otter gang.
Trading is waiting.
But the game.
Otter gang,
Spoon feed the setup.
spoon feed the setup. Spoon feeding setups.
Set slow.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
Chill. Breathe.
VWAP slap, bring it back.
Sit back, lay low, feel that wave. Let it build, don't try to save. Everybody rush, I behave. If it ain't my zone, no, I don't engage.
Alex, so current flow. Lord, I run that show. King Beaver, build it slow. Then one clean move, let it go.
Wait, don't rush, don't chase. Stay cool, hold space, let it ride, feel time.
Then strike online. Otter gang, otter gang, otter gang, yeah.
Otter gang.
Trading is waiting.
Trading is waiting.
Wait, easy, spoon feeding the setup.
Set slow,
Don't be a dick for a tick.
chill, breathe.
VWAP slap, bring it back. Sit back, lean low, feel that wave. Let it build, don't try to save. Everybody rush, I behave. If it ain't my zone, I don't engage. Alex, so current flow. Lord, I run that show. King Beaver, build it slow. Then one clean move, let it go.
Wait, don't rush, don't chase.
Stay cool.
Hold space, let it ride, feel time and strike. Online.
Otter gang, otter gang. sit back, lean low, feel that wave, let it build. Don't try to save. Everybody rush, behave. If it ain't my zone, I don't engage. LXO, current flow, Lord Otter, run that show. King Beaver, build it slow, then one clean move, let it go. Wait. Don't rush, don't chase, stay cool, hold space, let it ride. Feel time, then strike online. Otter gang, Otter gang,
Otter gang,
Otter gang.
Otter gang.
Trading is waiting, Otter gang.
Trading is waiting.
What, Otter gang.
Trading is waiting.
Spoon feeding the setup.
Spoon feeding the setup.
Sit slow,
Don't be a dick for a tick.
VWAP slap. Bring it back, sit back, lean low. Feel that wave, let it build. Don't try to save. Everybody rush, I behave. If it ain't my zone, I don't engage. LXO, current flow, Lord out up, run that show. King Beaver, build it slow, then one clean move, let it go. Wait.
Don't rush, don't chase, stay cool. Hold space, let it ride. Feel time to strike online.
Otter gang, Otter gang,
Otter gang,
Otter gang.
Otter gang.
Trading is waiting, spoon
Feeding this waiting, spoon feeding the setups.
set slow,
Don't be a dick for a tick.
chill.
VWAP slap, bring it back.